Alright, we're going to see if we can make this old jet ski run. We got the positive cable out here. Trying to find the negatives down here. We'll hook our jumper cables up like that. We got to pop this cover. See if I can find some gas for my chainsaw to pop in there. So I'm just going to connect these together, see if we can get it to spin over first. Alright, I just put a little bit in the bottle, made it easier to get down in here. Oh, that's too much. Perfect. There you go, Doc.